Have you ever noticed how food affects your mood? It's something we often overlook, but the connection is profound. A sugary donut might give you a quick burst of energy, but then you crash and feel worse. This quick high followed by a low can leave you feeling drained and irritable. What we eat has a big impact on how we feel, both physically and mentally. A balanced meal can provide sustained energy and improve our overall mood. Research is showing more and more that a plant-based diet can do wonders for our mood and mental well-being. The nutrients in these foods help our brains function better. For years, scientists have observed that people who eat mostly plants tend to be calmer and happier. These individuals often report lower levels of stress and anxiety, but they couldn't be sure if the diet was the cause. Was it the food itself or other lifestyle factors? Now, new studies are showing a strong link between plant-based diets and improved mental health. These studies are more comprehensive and controlled, providing clearer evidence. These findings are exciting because they offer natural and effective ways to feel better. By simply adjusting our diet, we can enhance our mood and overall well-being. One study found that people who switched to a plant-based diet experienced a significant improvement in their mood in just 2 weeks. They felt more energetic and positive, which had a ripple effect on their social interactions and overall well-being. They reported feeling less anxious, angry, and tired. This shift in emotional state was accompanied by a greater sense of calm and relaxation. This rapid improvement might be due to the abundance of antioxidants found in plant foods. These nutrients are known to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can negatively impact mood. These powerful compounds protect our bodies from damage and help our brains function at their best. By supporting brain health, they contribute to a more stable and positive mood. Another study looked at the effects of a single high-carbohydrate meal on women experiencing premenstrual syndrome, PMS. The meal included foods like whole grains and fruits, which are rich in complex carbohydrates. The results were remarkable. The women who ate the high-carb meal reported feeling happier and calmer compared to those who didn't. This suggests that certain foods can have immediate mood-boosting effects. This suggests that even short-term dietary changes can have a noticeable impact on our mood. By making mindful food choices, we can enhance our emotional well-being and lead a more joyful life. The benefits of a plant-based diet for mental health go beyond quick fixes. Research shows that a high-carbohydrate, low-fat diet, rich in fruits, vegetables and whole grains, is linked to long-term improvements in mood and well-being. One year-long study found that people who followed this type of diet reported feeling less sad and more energetic than those who didn't. Interestingly, the total amount of food consumed didn't matter as much as the types of food. This highlights the importance of focusing on the quality of our food choices rather than simply counting calories. By choosing nutrient-rich plant foods over processed foods and animal products, we can nourish our bodies and minds for lasting happiness. Section 4. Arachidonic acid, the mood spoiler. One reason why plant-based diets might be so beneficial for mental health is because they are naturally low in arachidonic acid, also known as AA. This fatty acid is predominantly found in animal products, and its presence in our diet can have significant implications for our mental state. AA is an inflammatory omega-6 fatty acid found mainly in animal products. These include meats, eggs, and dairy products, which are staples in many diets around the world. While our bodies need some AA for normal functioning, high levels have been linked to an increased risk of depression and even suicide. This connection is particularly concerning given the rising rates of mental health issues globally. AA is thought to negatively impact mental health by causing inflammation in the brain. This inflammation can interfere with the brain's normal processes, leading to various mental health challenges. This inflammation can disrupt the balance of chemicals that regulate our mood, leading to feelings of sadness, anxiety, and irritability. Over time, this imbalance can contribute to more severe mental health conditions. By reducing our intake of animal products, we can lower our AA levels and potentially improve our mental well-being. Embracing a plant-based diet not only supports physical health, but also fosters a more balanced and positive mental state. Section 5. Workplace Wellness with Plant-Based Power. The benefits of plant-based diets aren't just limited to individual experiences. Studies are showing that promoting plant-based eating in workplace settings can lead to happier and healthier employees. One study offered employees at a large company weekly instruction on a whole food plant-based diet. The results were impressive. The employees who followed the plant-based diet reported greater satisfaction with their food choices, improved digestion, increased energy levels, better sleep quality, and enhanced physical functioning. They also reported feeling more mentally sharp and overall healthier. Section 6. Lifestyle changes for a healthier, happier you. The study also found that the employees who adopted a plant-based diet experienced improvements in their work productivity. This suggests that promoting healthy eating habits in the workplace can have positive economic benefits as well. As more research emerges, it's becoming increasingly clear that lifestyle interventions, particularly those focused on diet, play a crucial role in improving mental health. Plant-based diets, in particular, have shown great promise in reducing symptoms of depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders. By making simple yet powerful changes to our diets, we can take charge of our mental well-being and live happier, healthier lives.